everyone, Ryan from Gliffy here. Today I'm going to walk you through just a quick tip on how you can actually edit your AI created diagram within the AI prompt here. So let me go ahead and create a quick flowchart showing a user login into a website with our AI diagram feature. So voila, there you go. So now let's say I wanted the user login box here to actually be blue. So let's just make a quick edit to that. So I'm going to go here and edit diagram. I'm going to copy the mermaid code here, and then I'm going to paste that back into the Create with AI box. So here I'm going to enter and just add a quick note to the top here. Change user logged in box to blue. And then I'm going to create diagram and see if that will edit for me. It will create a second version of this diagram, but it should update accordingly. And there you have it. You can see the second version has user logged in blue. So you can make edits to anything else within that diagram type. I just did a quick color to show you what's possible, but feel free to try it out yourself. Just copy that mermaid code into that AI prompt box and you can edit from there.